Hi, I'm Dale Popovich and welcome to the Great Northwoods. Are you looking to improve your watercolor painting skills? Well, what you want to do is you want to discover the beauty of transparent watercolor, and you want to unleash your creativity in my 4-day workshop at Dillman's in Lac du Flambeau. Through my unique technique of a paint along, you will learn a lot of different techniques and how to build a painting. Explore the 4 seasons of northern Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and create stunning works of art with the confidence and skill. Take your watercolor painting to the next level and become the artist that you've always dreamed of being. I will send you an exclusive PDF file workbook explicitly designed for this workshop via email. You'll print and unload it to your tablet. The workbook contains the following: photo references for each demonstration of from my personal library, my pencil drawings on watercolor paper for you to replicate before the workshop starts. I'll give you descriptions of the subjects, the techniques that you'll use for each demonstration, and the knowledge that you'll walk away with each painting. You'll have pages with color charts, recommended reading, and pages to take notes on, and more. You'll have value studies, the tubes of paint required for each painting, and a list of additional supplies needed. I have an exciting surprise planned for you on the last day of class. I will be demonstrating watercolor with pastel techniques on top of it, and I will supply the pastels for you to use during the demonstration. Additionally, I will answer any or all questions before the workshop and during, and don't be afraid to take pictures with your iPhone. My workshop is dynamic and engaging learning experience. Students watch me paint, recreate what I've done. You ask questions at any time that you wish, and repeat till you are finished. I'm confident that my teaching style is highly effective, and I encourage my students to bring their cameras, as I said, and you can capture each step of the paint along for your own personal library. I believe sharing knowledge is the key to learning and to become committed to helping students achieve what their full potential is. My approach is grounded in the belief that the best way to learn is by doing. I'm confident that my students will leave the workshop with a newfound confidence and level of painting skills. Dillman's Bay is a nostalgic resort on the shores of White Sand Lake in northern Wisconsin, just outside of Lac du Flambeau and about 12 miles from Minocqua. It's a classic vacation paradise. Dillman's creative workshops are taught by nationally renowned instructors for over the last 40 years. Students are welcome to attend the welcome reception and farewell reception, which is included in your package. Sue and Denny Robinson, along with their daughter and son-in-law, Stephanie and Todd, will help you in any way that they can to make sure that you have everything that you need. The studios are open 24 hours, so you can go down there if you're a night owl. You can finish up a painting or create another painting just for practice.